eFootball 2025, how to play online. So if you want to play eFootball 2025 online, it's actually quite very simple. Now you can just go to the match section. Even under events PvP, you'll be able to find all of this is actually just online match. The other one is AI, so you're going to be playing against AI, so this is not what we want to do. The other online match here is eFootball League. So if you go to this league section right here, and from here you can simply go ahead and then begin a new league right here by simply climbing up with your positions. Then you will be able to go ahead and then basically play online match by tapping on the 2 match option right here. And the other one you can also create a friendly match with any of your friend that you have, or you can play a quick match online right over here by selecting a certain plan. And this way you should be able to go ahead and then basically play eFootball 2025 online. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.